rock me into the mat. Go to the beat of the music, and get into it. Feel comfortable with the first. Remember, athletic stance, your head is low. And back, lean out. Core engage, back. A lot of tips, but remember, be patient with yourself. Be so proud of yourself for showing up today, and trying something new. So remember, all you're doing is using your feet here. Your upper body is just rolling. So your heels are lifting up slightly. Keep it here, and then we're going to do the arms and move one way. Ready? The side, move. Oh yeah. Now we're getting some shoulder action. Still getting comfortable with the feet motion. Come on. Just feel the feeling. See what that return feels like. We're catching up here, and then we're going to keep the depth of it. Getting more back, getting more comfortable. So deep breath in, deep breath out. Get back to the position. Again. Driving the mat. Knees out. Head back. Back out. Back nice and flat. Head still. Just lift the heels slightly. Draw the feet over the mat. Take turns here for now. Remember, making sure your core is engaged like something like this. You're bracing for that impact, and that's going to keep your lower back safe. And absolutely everything will get out. We've got to keep them going. Abby, swing. One more. Power pose, boom. Oh yeah, we like the power pose at the end of these songs to get that testosterone lower and just increase that confidence. Amazing job, first song complete. Let's go to the next one. We'll try a couple different moves, but remember to feel free to pause, grab water whenever needed. Next move we're going to practice is march. So you're going let's go. 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 And we're going to do let's go. Relax. Back. Up. Back. Keep your arms swinging. Stay up high. Relax. Slight bend in the knees. Not putting too much pressure into the feet. You want to be nice and light, like you're floating. Keeping it safe on the joints. We're going to get a little boozy here. Ready?
Relax.
If it feels a little funky for now, don't worry. Again, just freestyle. Do whatever feels good for you. Let's try it out. And back. Also be close. Just like we did in the last song, just the feet a little closer. Remember, that's back. That's right. So step. Step. So if you want to practice the feet first, just keep your hands on the hips. And now we'll try elbow in, elbow in. And power pose. Amazing job. That last song we just practiced a lot of different marching variations. And for the next one, we're going to try to move off. So remember, grab water whenever needed, but if you're ready, let's go. I'm onto the balls of the feet. So don't keep your heels glued to the mat. Let them lift up a little bit. And all you're going to do is shake from side to side. Just put them on it, bend slightly forward. So like that. You don't want to do like this, because then that's too much pressure on the back. So just hinge a little bit. See how many heels are lifting? Feel a lot, and then you through here. And one step. If you're not ready for this,
Mwabonye ko turi muri trampoline aerobic session relaxing, so dukoresha muscles z'umubiri wose, oxygen ikagera mu bwonko ihagije, at the same time ukaba uri gukoresha umubiri wawe wose. Ni siporo nziza cyane rero. Guhera next week tuba dufite international coach wa trampoline byibura gatatu ku cyumweru mu gitondo saa moya ndetse na nimugoroba. So ntugire kwiyandikisha muri class kugira ngo dukorane siporo ubuzima burushaho kugenda neza. Let's go!